Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you on a bit of a Zara shopping trip. So you're going to come shopping with me and do a bit of a try on haul, which I have never done before. I thought this would be a good idea considering a lot of you guys in America and Europe and the United Kingdom are all going into fall soon, and we're going into spring here in Australia. But it is still relatively cold, so I thought I could get some good transitional clothes and a bit of a cool transitional clothing try on. So let's go shopping. My before always suggest easy slip-on shoes when shopping. #1 hot tip. And then these are all the clothes I've got. So much stuff. Let's get started. This is a black bodysuit. How cute is this? This is so cute. These are snake skin print pants. I'm not a big fan of them, but they look cute. Next I have this massively oversized jacket, but look how cute the gold buttons. I'm also wearing snake skin shorts. And I'm wearing the same bodysuit too, but I love wearing shorts and big oversized jackets. Next I've still got the blazer on, but I put on these jeans. These are like a straight leg jeans. They're like mid-waist. They're a bit big actually, but I love a big jacket and jeans, especially for fall. Or you can just get a big light trench that's layered with this like blue and then just chuck it on top. It's got zips in it. It's cute too. I feel like this looks better in real life. It's like a really silky leopard print top with a little ruffle sleeve and these really cute like flared pants with buttons. This is cute because I love wearing crops and you can still wear them in fall. And then obviously these white pants. I mean, I love white, so I love high-waisted. They're a bit see-through though, so not 100% sure about this one. It's a bit loose and the buttons are a bit, these are all the buttons. It's a bit weird, but I do like this style dress. I just don't know if it looks any good on me. Like the split. Can we take a minute? This, not with this dress, but look at it, it's pink and fluffy. Look how cute this is. Full jumpsuit, little hole. It's got a zip at the back. Pockets. And then team up with this beautiful pink fluffy jumper to throw on over the top when it gets a bit chilly. Cute. This is actually so freaking cute. It is actually a jumpsuit. Like real 70s velvet emerald green with cute ass pockets. How cute is this? And a sleeve so you can be warm too. If you're not warm enough with the long sleeves, look at this furry jumper. Oh my god. You know, if you're a bit cold. And then last but not least, how cute is this? Look. It's like a kimono, snake skin, like lowish cut but not too revealing, with a super loose. And a split up here with like, it cinches in at the waist, so it's not like frumpy. Perfect for a night out. Makes you feel like curvy in all the right places. Oh, I like it. And then if you're cold, get this jacket back. I feel so extra in this outfit. So I am am back and I'm actually currently in my beauty room at the moment. I finished shopping and trying on all those clothes. They're all so cute, but I'm not the biggest fan of in-between weather clothes. I'm not sure if you guys are the same. Let me know in the comments below if you are. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you would like to see more of these try on come shopping with me kind of videos. I actually really enjoyed doing it, even though the lighting in the dressing room was not my friend. That was just like, why do they do that in dressing rooms? Why do they not make dressing rooms like the best lighting that is possible? I don't know. Anyways, thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click that button down below. Like this video if you liked it and would like to see more. And hopefully I'll see you all very, very soon. Bye guys.